Codex CLI versus Cursor. In this video, I will break down which coding assistant is better for your workflow in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's begin with Codex CLI. Codex CLI is a command line based AI tool that allows you to generate, edit, and debug code using natural language prompts. It's super lightweight, blazing fast, and perfect for developers who prefer terminal workflows. But it lacks GUI supports, which might be a deal breaker for some. And now let's talk about Cursor. Cursor is an AI augmented IDE built on VS Code. It integrates AI directly into your editor with tools like inline suggestions, contextual chat, and multi-file awareness. It's highly productive, especially if you are already using VS Code as your primary environment. So in terms of context handling, Cursor supports full project context windows and multi-step memory, making it ideal for larger code bases, while Codex CLI supports isolated interactions with focused commands, which is faster but less flexible for complex logic. And when we are comparing their collaboration and extensions, Cursor has the edge. It supports GitHub integration, live collaboration, and extensions, while Codex CLI is more of a solo focused and minimal by design. So for final verdict, Codex CLI is perfect for fast, terminal-based coding with minimal distractions. But if you're working on larger projects and you want seamless AI in your IDE, Cursor remains the top pick in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.